cryptic pregnancies. I didn't know I was pregnant. So, these stories seem to be very popular because it's a fascinating phenomenon. How could you not know that you were pregnant? Well, she didn't show, she didn't miss a period, and she had such mild symptoms that it just seemed like an everyday menstrual cycle. Well, every month menstrual cycle. So these symptoms seem to go unnoticed because they're so mild. There's several things that can attribute to that. Even though they take a pregnancy test, because the hormone that alerts us to a pregnancy is so low that it's even undetectable by a urine test. Some women even still have bleeding throughout their pregnancy, which makes them believe I'm bleeding, means I'm not pregnant. If you pay attention to the bleeding that is actually happening, you'll see that it's different than an actual period. The bleeding that happens during a cryptic pregnancy can be different things. It can be caused by different things. There could be cervical, implantation, placenta placement, hormonal imbalance. This is why it's important to always talk to your doctor. Even if you feel that something's wrong, if you feel really tired, if you are used to irregular periods, if you have dealt with infertility in the past, if you think that you're perimenopausal. Unfortunately, one of the things that also can cause a cryptic pregnancy is trauma, high stress, high anxiety, that will cause the person to deny the fact that they are actually pregnant. So even though that their body may be going through all these changes, and even though that they may be experiencing some things, they still push it aside to the fact because they don't believe that they can be pregnant, because something traumatic happened to them, or because they're so high stressed and so focused on work or whatever it is that's causing them that stress or anxiety. They're like, it's just one more thing that I cannot do, so I'm just gonna push it off to the side. If you are experiencing any of this, please, by all means, go get some counseling help to help you work through these things. If you think you might be pregnant, always consider going to your care provider, midwife, doula, to find out if you are pregnant. I'm Samantha, I'm a prenatal coach, and I thank you so much for joining me today.